DeepSeek, the free Chinese rival that shocks everyone. Introduction: why all the hype? If you follow AI news, you have definitely seen the name DeepSeek many times. This Chinese language model did not come to repeat what ChatGPT or Google Gemini offer. It came with a shocking surprise. Performance that beats competitors in some tasks, with a completely free price tag. In this article, I will show you why DeepSeek might be your best friend for side hustle projects, and how to use it practically starting today. First, what makes DeepSeek different? DeepSeek is 100% free with no clear daily limits so far. It supports up to 1 million tokens, which is equivalent to the entire three-body problem trilogy. It handles Arabic, English, and Chinese excellently, with good support for other languages. It also has strong reasoning capabilities that rival the best models from OpenAI and Google. Second, the super features for your side hustle. Feature number 1 is the 1 million token context window. This means you can upload entire client briefs, full financial reports, or complete code libraries in one go. You do not need to split your work into small pieces. Feature number 2 is agent-ready architecture. DeepSeek was trained specifically for workflows where AI takes action, not just chats. This is perfect for building automated systems for your clients. Feature number 3 is free access with file uploads. You can upload PDFs, images, and code bundles without paying anything. No credit card is required and there are no hidden fees. Third, 5 side hustles you can build with DeepSeek. Side hustle number 1 is an AI content agency with zero monthly cost. Use the free chat to generate blog posts, social media content, and email newsletters for local businesses. Charge between $50 and $200 per client monthly. Your only cost is your time. Side hustle number 2 is a coding tutor for beginners. DeepSeek excels at explaining code and debugging problems. Offer tutoring sessions where you use the AI to generate examples and fix student errors. Start at $30 per hour. Side hustle number 3 is a research assistant service. Use the 1 million token context to analyze long documents. Small businesses need help digesting contracts, market reports, and competitor analysis. Charge between $100 and $300 per report. Side hustle number 4 is an AI-powered resume and cover letter writer. Job seekers pay $20 to $50 for optimized resumes. Use DeepSeek to rewrite and tailor applications at scale. Side hustle number 5 is an API-based chatbot for small businesses. When you are ready to scale, use DeepSeek API to build custom chatbots. Charge between $99 and $499 per month per client for setup and maintenance. Fourth, how to access DeepSeek. The easiest way is to visit chat.deepseek.com. Sign up with your email and start using the model immediately for free. For API access, visit platform.deepseek.com. New accounts receive trial credits. For advanced users, you can download the model from Hugging Face and run it on your own hardware. Final verdict: DeepSeek is not just a cheap alternative. It is a powerful model that legitimately competes with American frontier models. For side hustlers watching every dollar, it is arguably the best AI tool of 2026. We hope you found this article useful for your AI side hustle journey. To discover more tools, strategies, and step-by-step guides, make sure to visit our official website. The address is ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com. We publish new articles every week. Please support our work by doing 3 simple things. First, click the follow button on our blog so you never miss an update. Second, give this article a like if you enjoyed it. Third, share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who wants to make money online using artificial intelligence. Together, we are building a community of smart side hustlers. Thank you for being part of it.